Hi guys, how you going? I'm so excited. I've just got home from work and my floorboards have just arrived from Kemimoto. I'm going to go get changed now because I can't wait for the weekend. I'm going to install them myself. Okay, so I've got changed and I'm ready to get my hands dirty, but first let's open up the package and see what's inside. Okay. Wow, awesome. Perfect match, perfect. So we're going to replace these with these. It's going to look great. So I just get this in here and we've got to be careful of the paint.
A few minutes later.
First of all, I'm just going to put a cloth on here just to protect it in case I drop it. And then I'm going to put a little bit of Loctite on here. First, just to run it along the end, just a little bit. Okay, right, so let's go and do the top one. First, stick that in there, put that in there. Now, might have to get you to assist, cameraman, until I get it screwed in. Perfect, okay, let's put the other one on with a little bit of Loctite as well. Just not much. Screw that in till it grabs, and then we'll need to get the Allen keys to tighten it up. Perfect, okay. Watch your paint. And that's as tight as that's going to go. So that was really simple. It was 2 bolts out and 2 bolts in, and they are so sturdy. And have a look how well they match with the originals. You'd never know that these are not originals. These are from Kemimoto. Absolutely awesome. Now, quite sturdy. They're not going to flop about at all. So girls, if the floorboards are down, when you guys get home, they've got some explaining to do. Very sturdy. Now, I'm just going to go around and do the other side. As you can see, I've finished and put the floorboards on myself, which I'm quite proud of myself because I've never done anything like this before. Floorboards are so much better than foot pegs, as your weight is much more evenly distributed over a much larger area surface than a peg. I find it removes also a lot of the vibration I would feel when I've got a peg on. Long distance trips, trying to find a comfortable position with a peg is a lot harder than the floorboard. Having both your feet also flat is a lot better for your posture as well. So get onto it, get your floorboards from Kemimoto, and also we've got a code down below in the link and it will get you 10% off. So have a look at their site. They've got some great things to purchase. Put the code in and you'll get extra 10% off. So now, just need to go for a ride, I suppose, and check them out. Kilometres later and the floorboards felt fantastic. Thank you, Kemimoto.